Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. If your computer does not have a camera, don't worry, you can keep the video turned off. If you do not have a headphone, that is also completely fine. You can still share your screen during a Zoom meeting. After the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Share button. A new window will appear showing different sharing options. You can share your entire desktop, a specific application window, or a browser window. To share your full screen, select the desktop option and click Share. Your screen is now being shared with the meeting participants. At the top of the screen, you will see a small toolbar. From there, you can pause share if you want to temporarily stop sharing. You can click Resume Share to continue sharing again. If you want to share a different window, click New Share from the toolbar and select another application or browser window. When you finish presenting, click Stop Share from the top toolbar. Your screen sharing will end immediately, and the meeting will return to the normal Zoom view. Screen sharing is useful for presentations, online classes, software demonstrations, document reviews, and team collaboration. That's how you can share your screen in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.